Today we're doing a little different video, not a project, not a car repair. It's gonna be help a neighbor out and go clean up some stuff that some people had just dropped off. Some junk, some concrete, gravel, dirt, cinder blocks, all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna ride down to the pasture where they dumped it, check it out, see if it's too muddy. I'm gonna be using my skid steer. So yeah, we'll go see if it's gonna be too muddy to get in there or not, and see if we can't help a neighbor out. It's a little muddy. It's definitely gonna sink in pretty good, but I've already got my dump trailer full of stuff from Christmas, and I don't mind a little mud. Plus we can get this out while it's nice sunny today. But yeah, came in and dumped it. It's pretty messed up. Whoever did it, it's gonna catch up to him one day, and I hope it does. All you can do is clean it up and hope people be decent and respect other people's property. So yeah, we'll ride back to the house, grab the skid steer and the truck, and we'll drive it down here and get it loaded up. I did actually take my dump trailer tire off to go get it repaired this morning. It had a nail in it. So we'll throw the spare on. We're gonna get the fork swapped out for my bucket and drive down the road. It's not very far, but the skid only goes 7 miles an hour, I think. Okay, we made it back. Got all the stuff that was left there loaded up. Wasn't too muddy. Made the road a little bit of a mess, but we tried to clean it up. Luckily, I had enough room in my dump trailer to fit it all. After Christmas, we had a ton of cardboard boxes from the kids' gifts and whatnot. So, yeah. Worked out good. I'll get it to the dump a little later. Gonna go with the wife, go eat some food and hang out. Thanks for watching. There you go.
That'll work. We're gonna make it!
You said in the thumbnail we're not.
We're gonna make it.